Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has 196,000 miles on the odometer and features a white exterior paired with a tan interior, maintaining a classic and practical look. Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers reliable performance for daily use or weekend hauling. The truck has recently been upgraded with a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit, complete with A-arms, new shocks, new ball joints, and new power steering, enhancing both ride quality and off-road capability. It has been lightly driven, as it served as the owner's second vehicle. Additional features include a matching topper, perfect for secure storage or camping, and the original OEM floor mats for both front and back seats. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
1967 Ford F100, price $10,000. It's powered by a strong 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed T18 manual transmission and equipped with power steering for easier handling. The original carburetor has been recently rebuilt, and the registration is current. A toolbox is also included. The truck runs great and has received several recent upgrades by the previous owner before March 2024. These include new Goodyear Wrangler tires with new rims, a new gas tank and float system, an aluminum radiator with electric fan, a new electronic distributor, Napa premium starter and alternator, and a full front brake rebuild with new drums, wheel cylinders, and rubber lines. Additional improvements include new hoses, belts, rear taillight lenses, and a refinished headliner.
Number 3. 1974 GMC 2500, price $10,000, reliable classic truck that runs well and is ready for the road. Under the hood, it features a 305 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, offering smooth and consistent performance. It comes equipped with an MSD Digital 6 ignition system, MSD distributor, and blaster coil, ensuring strong spark delivery and enhanced reliability. A brand new battery has recently been installed for dependable starts. The truck is also smog exempt, making ownership and registration more convenient in many states. For entertainment, it includes a modern Bluetooth CD player connected to a powerful 10-inch subwoofer, blending classic style with upgraded audio functionality. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4.
1969 Ford F100, price $7,200. It's powered by the legendary 300 cubic inch straight-six engine, known for its durability and torque. The engine has recently been freshened up with new gaskets and a clean new coat of paint, giving it both reliability and a sharp look under the hood. Backed by a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission and equipped with power steering, this truck offers a surprisingly easy and comfortable driving experience for its age. Inside the cab, the newly upholstered seat provides added comfort, complementing the simple and functional interior.
Many new parts have been installed throughout the vehicle, ensuring it remains dependable on the road.
It starts up easily, runs and drives just as it should, and all exterior and interior lights are fully operational.
Number 5.
1968 Ford F250, price $8,000, well-kept classic with 89,000 miles. It features a 4-speed manual transmission, factory AC, and a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The original 360 V8 has been upgraded to a stronger 390 V8, paired with long tube headers for added performance. The front suspension has been rebuilt with new bushings, axle pivot and radius arm, and key components like the front axles, radius arms, backing plates, inner fenders, and radiator support have been powder-coated black. It also has a new master cylinder and fully rebuilt front brakes, including hoses, shoes, and wheel cylinders. The truck runs and drives well, is currently registered, and comes with a new weather strip kit ready to be installed.
Number 6.
1985 Chevrolet C30, price $7,500, featuring a bold red exterior and matching red interior. It's equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it boasts a strong 454 V8 engine paired with a 4-barrel carburetor, delivering impressive torque and pulling power. Though it's a two-wheel drive, this truck is equipped with a gooseneck ball in the bed, making it ideal for heavy hauling or towing.
Described as an absolute beast, it's proven to be incredibly reliable over time.
Whether hauling loads or pulling trailers, this C30 has the strength and dependability to get the job done. It runs and drives well, and comes with a clean title, making it a solid choice for anyone in need of a serious workhorse.
Number 7.
1983 Chevrolet C20, price $7,500. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, paired with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered 350 V8 engine. The engine has been upgraded with an Edelbrock intake, a 4-barrel carburetor, and a custom exhaust system. The truck starts, runs, and drives well. The air conditioning system is fully functional, and a new battery has recently been installed. Both the alternator and starter have been tested and are in good working condition. It also comes equipped with an auxiliary fuel tank for extended range, as well as aftermarket wheels and tires that still have plenty of tread left. A recent tune-up was completed, which included an oil and filter change, new spark plugs and wires, and a transmission fluid and filter service. Cosmetically, the truck does show its age with 2 small rust spots located near the rear fenders and a minor ding on the rear driver's side bed quarter panel.
Number 8.
1999 GMC 1500, price $9,500, one-owner truck with a clean title and just 190,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 4.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives excellently. The truck has already passed smog inspection and is currently tagged, making it ready for the road. Finished in a crisp white exterior with a gray interior, the Sierra's overall appearance is well above average for its age.
The exterior is in excellent condition, with just 2 small rust spots on the rear fenders and a minor ding on the driver's side rear quarter panel.
Inside, the cabin is clean and comfortable, featuring power windows, power door locks, power seats, and a brand new headliner. The only interior flaw is a tear in the driver's seat. This truck also includes a tow hitch, making it ready for hauling.
Number 9.
1972 International 1210, price $4,800. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features factory air conditioning, dual fuel tanks for extended range, and a sliding rear window that adds extra ventilation and versatility. It's also fitted with power steering and power brakes, making it easier to handle despite its size. This model includes an 8-foot bed perfect for hauling and comes with all 4 original factory hubcaps. A brand new battery has been installed, and aside from some minimal rust at the tailgate latch area in the bed, the body remains in solid condition. The truck runs and drives, but the transmission will need to be serviced or rebuilt. A clean Colorado title is available and ready for transfer.
Number 10.
1964 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000, classic pickup with 139,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission with a 3-on-the-tree column shifter and is powered by a gasoline engine. The exterior is finished in a bold orange color, while the interior is a clean, simple gray. The truck runs great and is equipped with several durable upgrades, including a steel-plated front bumper and a steel-plated truck bed, making it ideal for both utility and style. It comes with a clean title and includes the original jack, an extra rim, a spare tire, and trailer light hookups ready for work or cruising.
This C10 offers a solid blend of vintage charm and dependable performance.